my glitter poison cocktails. What? What? Are you kidding? Wow, big day. We are going to be making ruby red Prism Powder champagne, black Prism Powder champagne with a sugar blend rim. I've been training for this. Fast. Who knows how this is gonna end? Oh my God. Time to get drunk. Okay, here we go. Okay, so first things first, you're gonna take your stunning champagne glasses. Take your honey. Pour just a little bit on a plate. Pour a little on a plate. But you know what? Make it a controlled pour because we're not animals anymore. Whoa. Make sure you're delicate. Delicate. I'm not kidding around. Then just throw her right in there. She knows what to do. She's done this before. She's a pro. And just push the sprinkles to the rim. Honestly, guys, this looks even like sexier on a champagne glass. Then you pour out your freak show. Pour her on the plate. Get her going. Don't do the same glass twice. Be different. When you're doing that Instagram post, you need to show variety. Okay, get the champagne. This is the cutest little bottle that you ever just see. We're gonna wait to pop this. All right, so we got our Onyx Black. I've never honestly tried her, so I'm super excited. It's like if charcoal could shine. Charcoal wishes. All right, a couple of taps of her. Love it. And then we're gonna do Ruby Red. A couple taps here. Okay, twist, twist. Do you know this is called a cage? I never knew that. I wish I had a cage. The moment we've all been waiting for. Okay. Champagne everywhere. Oh my God, it's so wet. Oh my God. Oh, we don't have time. Okay, I'm bringing these guys outside. Okay. All right, guys, moment of truth. Here we go. Oh my God. 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 Guys. Oh. I feel like at this point, I'm just doing it for show because this is ridiculous. Welcome to my lair. Are you kidding? We have Crystal Ball with Onyx Black, and then we have Ruby Red Prism Powder with a freak show rim. Let me feed you my poison cocktails. Like, this one matches my soul, and this one matches my blood. So either way, it's a win-win. Okay, guys, the moment that nobody's been waiting for. Need to get drunk. Here we go. I mean, nothing to talk about. I think I slayed the game. The fun thing about making two of these is you can choose. Like, let's say you take one sip and you're like, oh, that's cool, that's red, but oh, I want some black. You can. That option's available. Honestly, these sugars, I love them. I love them so much. It's happening. I feel it. I feel the effects. I know you're thinking, you only took 2 sips. Well, that's all it takes. We deserve to get drunk, okay? We deserve to get drunk drinking fun, cool, fun stuff. That's a sentence. I want to dance in my kitchen with champagne because it's a pandemic and I can't do that anywhere else. So you know what? I'm doing it and I invite you to dance with me. I invite you to pour some champagne, put some Prism Powder, post it on your story. Can you imagine if I just like put on the most depressing song? If I just put on like Sounds of Silence and was like rocking out. Hello darkness, my old friend. Oh yeah, what a Halloween vibe. Who am I? I feel like Lisa Rinna. Oh my God. I am hot too. It's very hot in California. You're in a pandemic. Close your eyes. I know it's hard to picture. Close your eyes. You're like, oh my God, Halloween's coming up. What am I gonna do? I know what you do. Prism powders and alcohol. You're welcome. Call the mayor. Tell him what I said. I'm not gonna take it back, that's for sure. Because we're adults, guys. Personally, I think that makes me special. I think it makes you special. I think we should all be special together. What is she saying? I'm talking to my sheep. I have sheep in my kitchen. I'm talking to my sheep. Don't worry about it. Oh my God, guys, you know what we need to do? My dad was so mad because he's like, you included your mom in your FaceTime and you didn't include me? Are you gonna answer? Dad!
What, sweetheart?
You're on my bake show! You made it!
I love you. Thanks for making me an Instagram celebrity.
Oh, anytime. L'chaim.
L'chaim.
That was my dad. Great guy. His name's Stevie. You should really get to know him. Let's call my sister. But she's like, oh, I'm working all day. I'm like, get over it. Answer your phone. Oh my God, Kylie.
Yes?
You made it on my bake show. Congratulations.
Oh, hi.
Guys,
Hi, everybody.
this is my sister Kylie. I have bad news, Kylie.
What?
We didn't get the Prism Powder shot in the sunlight. It's too bright.
That's devastating.
I know.
Sounds like you suck at baking.
Whoa, we got a harsh critic alert.
Get a new job.
I can't. I have no other offers.
You know who would really love to be in this? Dad, I feel like you should.
Oh, I already did. Okay, bye. And then we got Lisa. I miss her so much. She's my favorite. She created Fancy Sprinkles. We have amazing news, guys. She answered. You're on the Bake Show. Oh my God.
What?
Oh my God, she answered, guys. The founder, the creator, the brains, the beauty.
What are you making? Show me.
So we made a red prism powdered champagne situation and an onyx black because Halloween, blood, black, soul, you get it.
You're a vampire now.
Are you afraid?
Yeah. All right, everybody, we've already taken up too much of her time. She's a golden angel. She's the reason we're here today. Give it up for Lisa Stelling. Okay, I love you. Bye. Wow, what a show. So many cameos, so many guest appearances. You guys, I love you. Fancy Sprinkles, thank you for your gifts. Guys, you better, I'm telling you, you better run, not walk to your computer. You better let those fingers run. You better get this product. Get it. Peer pressure. Okay, I love you guys. See you next week. Okay, bye.